How to make money with OpenAI and ChatGPT. Do you want to make money by harnessing the amazing power of artificial intelligence? Well, in this tutorial, we'll be walking you through the process of using OpenAI's ChatGPT model in order to generate content for your website or social media platforms, and how to monetize it. We'll be sharing practical tips and best practices for getting started with ChatGPT and maximizing your earnings potential. If you're interested in the world of finance and entrepreneurship, make sure that you join 33Cube by subscribing now. We're going to keep you up to date on the latest developments and show you incredible ways to start making money. So don't miss out. Become a part of this amazing experience so you can start your path to financial independence. Welcome to our latest video on how to make money with OpenAI and ChatGPT. If you've been interested in exploring the potential of artificial intelligence and language models, this video is for you. Whether you're a business owner who's looking to boast your online presence, or you're an individual who's just looking to get some extra cash, this video has something for everyone. So we'll be diving into the best ways that you can turn this amazing invention into a stream of income for yourself. Are you looking to make some serious cash with the help of artificial intelligence? Well, look no further than OpenAI and their amazing language model, ChatGPT. But what exactly is ChatGPT and how does it work? ChatGPT is a language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of human conversations, allowing it to generate realistic and engaging text that can be used for a variety of purposes. Do you want to write a killer blog post but don't have the time and inspiration? Or do you need some social media posts to keep your followers engaged? ChatGPT's got your back. The best part is that it's super easy to use. All you have to do is provide it with a prompt or context and it'll do all the rest for you. Don't just take our word for it. We'll be also sharing some case studies and success stories of individuals and businesses that have used ChatGPT to generate income and online presence. So after watching this video, be prepared to join the ranks of ChatGPT millionaires. What are some of the ways that you can use ChatGPT to generate value? Well, if you're ready to generate some top-notch content with the help of ChatGPT, the AI robotic extraordinaire, here's a few tips to make sure that you're getting the most out of your new robot pal. First things first, make sure to give ChatGPT clear and specific prompts or context to work with. The more information you give it, the better it's going to be able to generate some seriously impressive text. And trust us, nobody wants a robot who's spitting out nonsensical gibberish unless that's your thing, in which case, go for it. Next up, make sure you proofread and edit the output. It's an AI writing machine, but it isn't perfect yet. A quick once-over can help ensure that your content is accurate and reads well. For the fun part, make sure your ChatGPT generated content is unique and adds value to your audience, because nobody wants to read the same stuff over and over again. Make sure you're spicing it up with fresh and engaging content. And hey, if it gets shared and helps bring more visitors to your website or social media platforms, even better. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and contexts to see what works best for your specific audience and goals. ChatGPT is a versatile little robot, so don't be afraid to let it loose and see what it can do. How can you make money from this content? Well, if you find this interesting and want to learn more about intriguing topics like these, make sure you subscribe and leave a like to join 33 Cubed. Alright, now that you've generated some top-notch content with the help of ChatGPT, it's time to make some cash. There are a few different ways you can monetize your content and turn it into a steady stream of income. The first up is advertising. If you've got a website or social media platforms with a decent amount of traffic, you can sell ad space and earn money every time someone clicks on or views an ad. But make sure to choose your ads wisely. No one wants to be bombarded with ads for questionable products or services. Another good option is sponsored content, basically getting paid to feature products or services from brands or businesses in your content. It's a win-win for everyone involved. They get some exposure, you get some cash, and finally, there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission from any sales that result from your promotion. But make sure to only promote products and services that you believe in, because no one wants to be shilling sketchy stuff for a quick buck. So there you have it, a few simple ways to monetize your ChatGPT content and turn it into cold hard cash. Happy earning! Are there any tips that would make it easier to navigate ChatGPT and for it to work more efficiently? If you want to get the most out of ChatGPT and maximize your earning potential, the first thing you need to do is not be afraid to experiment with different prompts and contexts, as this will allow you to see what works best for your specific audience and goals. Trust us, ChatGPT is a versatile little robot, so don't be afraid to let it loose and see what it can do. Next, make sure to follow the best practices for search engine optimization, which will help ChatGPT generated content rank higher in search results and reach a wider audience. And hey, who doesn't want more eyeballs on the content? So once you've generated some killer content, it's time to promote it to the world, or at least your corner of the internet. Share it on social media, send it out through email marketing, or even guest post it on other websites. The more people see it, the better. Finally, make sure to keep track of your results and see what's working and what isn't. This allows you to identify what's working well and what areas need improvement so you can make adjustments as needed. These few simple tips will help you get the most out of ChatGPT and maximize your earnings potential. Are there real-world examples of people using this to make money? There actually are, quite a few of them. First up, we have a small business owner use ChatGPT to generate unique product descriptions and social media posts. Let me tell you, these robot-written descriptions are seriously convincing, helping to drive more traffic to the website and resulting in higher sales. Not bad for a little AI writing machine. In addition, an individual used ChatGPT to generate blog posts and articles on a specific topic. Thanks to some seriously engaging content, the website traffic increased and they were able to monetize their content through advertising and sponsored content. Talk about a win-win situation. We also have a content creator use ChatGPT to generate script ideas and concepts for video content. The result was increased views and subscribers on their channel. Lastly, a marketing agency used AI to generate social media posts and email marketing campaigns for their clients. Let me tell you, these robot-written campaigns are seriously effective, as they helped increase engagement and sales for the clients. So what have we learned about this amazing new tool that can help us generate income? Well, OpenAI's language model ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to create high quality and engaging content for a wide variety of purposes. Whether you need a killer blog post but don't have the time or inspiration, or you're looking for some social media posts to keep your followers engaged, ChatGPT's got you covered. And the best part is it's super easy to use. All you need to do is provide it with the prompt or context and it does everything else for you. There are many examples of success stories which have been achieved with the help of AI, and you can be one of them too. If you're interested in how you can escape your financial struggles, check out this other video on our channel. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you join 33Cube by subscribing now.